So we had to stop and eat. DJ never eats. And we got Rick back here. He was eating some hot stuff. He had to blow his nose because it's hot now. But we're on our way to get a rig. We're on our way to get parts because that's part of building a rig. Well, we are on our way to Indianapolis to go get this day one of this building a rig. And so we are building a rig for our Rick. We are going to head up to Midwest to get some of the parts. Then we're heading down south to Louisville. So that's where we're headed. And so there's Rick, there's DJ. We're making it a whole trip. So what's up?
There's no.
Well, we made it to Midwest. Nobody died or nothing, so we're good. Well, we made it to Southside Equipment down here in Louisville. It's snowing. We got Rick. He's talking about trying to hook up some trailers here on DJ, so.
Those. Fucking back of me, fucking. No, that's what I used. 9-1. No, these guys get the good trucks.
You shouldn't be doing nothing.
Shouldn't be doing that.
Will it fit down the other way or no?
Why don't you just lay it across the top of this? And then we just strap it in, right? If we can get it underneath there and lay it flat.
That air got cold. All right, go for it. There we go. Ah, shit, I bet that came off the other side. You're probably gonna have to unloosen it. Wait a minute. All right, it's on it. All right. Got a lot in here. I didn't know we were getting 50 gallons of freaking surfactant. I'm gonna kind of wrap it around the back here. Yeah. Yeah, we may wait and put that surface cleaner in there.
I don't know which one's which. I didn't know it came in a box. That's even better.
Yeah.
Or this goes on, that one goes on, and then we put the other kit on.
That is correct. That is correct. So that way.
So we only need 2 kits. I ended up getting 3.
Yeah, we only need 2 kits for it.
Yeah, I fucked up.
Now, how tall? Then them are going to be tall enough that it'll fit into the all the way up,
the other
right?
ones.
Okay.
They're the same exact ones as the ones I got before.
And they were tall enough to do that. Okay. All right.
I didn't think I brought 3. Well, one of them I brought from home though. I don't know. That one there was probably something to use.
Oh, we got 4 reels?
Well, I bought it because I didn't know what we needed. Just in case we needed a smaller reel for something.
Oh, okay.
Because you were mentioning
Well, are
something
you going to do the water-fed pole?
Water-fed pole and reel. Right, so that's what you...
Now, I guess the question is, if will that fit? Will 4 reels fit high enough? No. So then we'd have to
why
mount.
this reel's smaller, so it won't fit on there anyways.
But will it fit tall-wise on this truck?
No.
Because if it falls tall-wise, even if it don't fit on there, we can make it fit on there.
Well, these are wider.
I understand that, but we can put aluminum across there and it'll sit on top of it.
Well, I'm not sure.
So let's do 3 and then we'll see what that looks like. Yeah. So we are in the planning phase, and that's always a fun phase to be in. This is day one. We went and picked everything up. We're trying to figure out where we need everything at. It's cold outside. We're trying to stay warm. So we're trying to figure out where to put the gas pump at, where to mount the bleach tank at, where to mount the water tank at, where to mount the pressure washer at, where to mount the hose reels at from the door. And so that's what we are working on in day one. So day one, we went, and as this day has come along, we kind of figured out where we need to put everything. And now is the time that we will be starting to put the reels together, and we'll put the tank up in here. We're going to probably put the pressure washer on this side, put this over here. We're going to push the bleach tank all the way up against the wall. Being that the last truck that I did, the box truck that I did, I had to actually put it in the middle because they had wheel wells. Well, this truck don't have wheel wells, so I'm able to scoot the bleach tank all the way over. I'm able to put the water tank up against it to help hold it. And so this is what we're going to work on of trying to do it. So when you are building these trucks and rigs, you really want to make sure that you are doing the things to give you the most efficient way to run hoses, the most efficient ways to make sure that you don't screw up and put things in the wrong place. So sometimes you might put the water, so we don't want a bunch of water hoses running down the center and screwing that up. We're getting stepped on. So you got to start thinking about the best way to run our hoses, what's the best way to put the manifold, our gas tank. And so day one, we're going to get pretty much everything cleaned out of this except what needs to go in here. We'll get the hose reels up in here. We'll get the tank up in here. That'll probably be tomorrow is when we'll really set it down, and then we will start mounting stuff to once we figure out where everything we need to go at and be the most efficient at building these rigs. Again, as we build these rigs, it is one of the things that you always never know kind of where things go. Everything's different. There is no two things that are the same. The truck that we built last time, this truck's a foot shorter. This door was shorter. It was littler. So, you know, there's different things of how we're doing it. So that is day one of us picking up the equipment. Yes, we did go down to Indianapolis, or up to Indianapolis. We went to Louisville to pick up stuff. The reason why we had to go to two different places is Indianapolis didn't have the 100-gallon tank. And if you know about anything about shipping of these tanks, the tank's $400 and shipping would be $400. So that's one reason why we went and picked up the stuff, just so that way we could go get it, go see people, go talk to them, give what we needed. We did deal with Midwest up in Indianapolis, and we dealt with South Side Equipment out of Louisville, Kentucky. So those are the two places that we had bought this equipment and stuff for the pressure washing stuff. So